So here is our anti-haul. So why we are having this haul, not going shopping. So this haul is reducing a shopping trip because we already had all of this in our freezer, in our refrigerator, and a couple items from the pantry to create this week's menu. And we are going to save money by doing this. And we're also going to save time because I don't have to think up a meal plan all from scratch. I also don't have to worry about placing a shopping order and trying to figure that out. Everything is here that I need, and we're going to go through it all, and I'm going to show you the menu for the week. So saving money, saving time, that's always a great thing. So let's start going through the anti-haul and the whiteboard for the menu. All right, we'll start here. We have these potatoes. They're getting a little soft, so we're definitely using those this week. I like these a lot. They're easy to heat up real quick because they're so tiny. So those are fabulous. Let's get to here. The Southwest chopped salad kit. Need to use that up. It's already everything you need in a salad. So we'll make that for a side. We have some asparagus that we had and some Brussels sprouts. We also have half a bag of fresh spinach. I have a sweet potato. We have a red onion we have to use up. We also have to use up a head of cabbage. I'm going to make homemade coleslaw with that. That's what I decided. But speaking of slaw, we do have quite a few things of slaw as well. But this broccoli slaw is usually what's used for the week for the hash that my husband makes. So he'll be using that, and then we'll have this for our slaw to be as a side. We have white mushrooms to use, and then some protein. We have the beef shaved steak. That's going to be a great, easy, quick meal because it's thinly sliced. And then another quick meal, sirloin steak tips with chimichurri sauce. And I did get this from Aldi. I had it in the freezer, pulled it out, so now it's going to be on this week's menu.
This is still frozen.
I have to defrost it if we're making it this week, but it'll be later in the week, so it has time to defrost in the fridge. Chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. And then I also defrosted our pork steaks. These are from Aldi. They're so great. I'm thinking about a sheet pan meal with these. And then some quick other items. I have these chicken breast tenders, just about a half a bag left of that. Just thinking of something quick for lunch. We have a bag of cauliflower rice, and then we have plenty of seafood left over. Got a bunch of seafood from Aldi, so we have barramundi fillets. We also have a bag of raw shrimp. The shrimp I always get, so they stay in the freezer. We also got from Aldi these mini vegetable samosas. That's a great little quick lunch or an appetizer for dinner. We have some more ground beef that'll go with that broccoli slaw. We have some ahi tuna. I did buy it fresh, but threw it in the freezer. Not sure we'll get to it this week, but that's another item. And then back up here, more seafood. We do have this wild caught Pacific cod portions. I'm gonna let that defrost with the barramundi. We'll probably have that this week. We did pick up these fish sandwich portions. So these fish fillets, these are dill pickle style. So fish sandwich portion. If we want a quick lunch, that's great to have and have served with a vegetable, quick and easy. Have a few sea scallops to use up with all this seafood. That'd be great as just a little side to go with all of that. I pulled this out of the pantry. We did pick up a couple of these jar sauces. We have a specialty store. It is so good. They have like 6 or 7 of these variety sauces, and they're so easy. This one's butter masala with creamy tomato and ginger. I think you can find things like this at Aldi. I've seen them before, Trader Joe's, I bet you even Walmart. But trying a new flavor here, butter masala, so easy. Put this with your chicken thighs right into your crock pot, and that's it. Serve it with some cauliflower rice. That's the plan for this week. So that's everything I had already to work with. So let's check out our menu board and go over everything we are planning to make for the menu and to make for the meals for the week. All right, here are the meals for the week. Let's go through them. We have planned sirloin steak tips. That was that Aldi instant meal with Southwest salad kit. That'd be a great pairing. Pork steaks with asparagus and potatoes. Try to make that as a sheet pan meal. Make that super easy. Shaved beef with mushrooms and Brussels sprouts on the side. I'm not sure how we'll cook those. Probably just pan fry that and then maybe put the Brussels in the air fryer. Cod and the barramundi fish fillets. Thinking of making a homemade coleslaw with that head of cabbage. and probably just cook the fish in the air fryer and just whip up that coleslaw. And then chicken thighs with the butter, that masala, butter masala jar sauce, and we'll serve that with cauliflower rice. And then air fryer weekend. I actually got the new air fryer from Pampered Chef, and I am so excited to use it. So I'm thinking it's going to be an air fryer weekend where I'm going to use a lot of what we already have and just experiment with my new air fryer. So here are some of those things I'm thinking of putting in there. The frozen shrimp, cook that from frozen, see how that does. The fish sandwiches, the chicken tenders, and those Indian samosas. So those are the things I'm thinking of experimenting with the air fryer. So air fryer weekend, we'll nibble on all that this weekend, and then we'll be ready to probably do another haul next week. But this was our anti-haul week. I think we did really well. Let's hope we continue and eat what we have, use what we have, and work on reducing that budget so we can spend next week and stock up again. All right, thanks so much for watching. I look forward to sharing those recipes and all of this with you in future videos.
To be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. That's how you'll be notified, and I'm looking forward to doing the air fryer video this weekend, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.